I don't even know if I've talked about this product that we sell, Dillon Optics. So for those of you who don't know, Dillon Optics is a really high-tech premium sunglass brand. You may recognize them because they have a really unique feature with their lenses, which is this matte.
Hey Dylan. Yeah, what's up?
You may recognize their sunglasses because they have a really unique matte lens design to it. It looks like it's frozen, BMW frozen. I figured I'd show you what we got in. Not only does it look really unique, but it actually is a much clearer image when you're looking through them. A lot clearer than Ray-Bans and Oakleys. If you ever had those, sometimes depending on the lighting, you might get this weird reflection of like the bridge of your nose in the lenses. So when it's a matte lens like this, you don't get that. And the cool thing is these are also made in Italy. If you have prescription sunglasses, Dillon Optics can custom make you a set of lenses that will fit your prescription.
Sorry for just kind of ruining your unboxing. I'm making it better. You can see my chest that looks oversized in this small shirt. It's like when Will wears his extra small Texas DA shirts.
I think it's getting smaller, Will.
I think it is too. My mama said. You know why?
So these are the brand new 46 Charlie. I think this is the first time they ever came out with a black camo finish for the frame, so it's really neat. As you see, the lenses are blue. Inside, you have a more bronzish hue in the lenses to give you a much more natural look, especially when you're outdoors. Polarized, made in Italy. The Cooper, so this is more of your typical classic Wayfarer design. Gloss black frame. It's almost like it's clear see-through, so you get some of the gray in it. This is what it looks like on the side. The Greasewood, it's in a shiny silver, and we even have it in a black frame too. The Parker, ooh. So another clean Wayfarer design. Gloss black silver lens this time. The Patents, gloss black frame. The George. And I know it seems like there's a lot of blue lenses from the ones I've shown you, but keep in mind you can choose other colors like gold, gunmetal, black. We just happen to get a lot of blue lenses just because this is the most popular color. Last but not least, the Michaels Aviator style with these slits in the middle. These are metal, has a nice weight to it. So if you guys want a pair, just hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below.
What are you?
We also have them here at the shop too, so you're more than welcome to come by and try them on and see the clarity.